Cryptography is like a secret language that keeps our information safe. Imagine sending a message that only the intended recipient can read. That's encryption. It transforms readable data into a jumble of letters and numbers, making it nearly impossible for anyone else to decode. Think about how we use it every day. When you shop online, your credit card info is encrypted. Even our text can be secured. The beauty of cryptography lies in its complexity and elegance, protecting our privacy in an increasingly digital world. It's not just about keeping secrets, it's about building trust in our communication. Cryptography is essentially hidden writing. The term itself comes from Greek, where cryptos means hidden and graphein means to write. Imagine sending a secret message that only the intended recipient can decode. That's the power of cryptography. It's not just about keeping information safe. It's about ensuring privacy and security in our digital world. From securing your online transactions to protecting sensitive data, cryptography is the backbone of modern communication. So, when you think of cryptography, think of it as a shield for your information, making sure that what's meant to be private stays private. Imagine a world where your messages could be intercepted at any moment. Julius Caesar faced this reality, so he devised a clever solution, the Caesar Cipher. By shifting letters in the alphabet, he created a simple yet effective way to keep his communication secret. For example, if we shift the letter of 3 spaces, it becomes D. This means hello turns into KHOR. It's fascinating how a basic technique like this not only protected his strategies, but also laid the groundwork for modern cryptography. As we explore this cipher, think about how vital secure communication is even today.
The Caesar Cipher is a fascinating tool that dates back to ancient Rome. Imagine sending a secret message to a friend, and only they can decode it. The beauty of this cipher lies in its simplicity. Each letter in your message is shifted down the alphabet by a fixed number. For instance, if we shift by 3, A becomes D, B becomes E, and so on. Now let's think about how we can use this in our assignment. Picture a message like hello. If we apply a shift of 3, it transforms into core. It's like a secret language. As you work in your groups, consider the patterns in the letters. Look for common words and letter frequencies. The letter E, for example, is the most frequently used letter in English. If you spot it, you might be onto something. Collaboration is key here. Share your ideas, challenge each other's thoughts, and don't hesitate to experiment with different shifts. Remember, the goal is not just to decode the message, but to understand the process behind it. So, who's going to crack the code first? Dive in, have fun, and let's see those brains working together.
The Spartan Skittily is a fascinating piece of history. Imagine a simple tool that revolutionized communication in warfare. This cylindrical device allowed Spartans to send secret messages by wrapping a strip of parchment around it. The key? The diameter of the Skittily. Only someone with the same size could decode the message. It's a brilliant example of early cryptography, showcasing how ingenuity can turn the tide in battle. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Watch as I demonstrate the Skittily in action, revealing the hidden message that could mean victory or defeat. Imagine a message hidden in plain sight, waiting to be uncovered. This is the magic of the Skittily encryption. Here, I have a simple cardboard tube and a strip of paper. As I wrap the paper around the tube, I write my secret message along the length. When I unwrap it, the letters seem jumbled, but that's the beauty of it. Only someone with the same size tube can read it correctly. This ancient technique, used by the Spartans, shows how creativity can turn ordinary objects into powerful tools for communication. Isn't it fascinating how history can teach us about secrecy and strategy? The Vigenère cipher is a fascinating step up from simple ciphers. Instead of just shifting letters, it uses a keyword to encrypt messages. Let's take the keyword key and apply it to our plaintext, hello. Each letter in hello is shifted based on the corresponding letter in key. For example, H shifts by K, which is 10 places, giving us R. Then, he shifts by E, or 4 places, resulting in I. This pattern continues, creating a more complex and secure encryption. It's like a secret code that keeps your messages safe, making it much harder for anyone to crack. The pigpen cipher is a fascinating method of encoding messages that dates back to the 18th century. Instead of using letters, it replaces them with unique symbols based on a simple grid system. Imagine a tic-tac-toe board combined with a few extra lines. Each section represents a letter. For example, the word hello transforms into a series of symbols that look like a secret language. This clever technique not only adds an element of mystery, but also showcases how creativity can enhance communication. It's a perfect blend of art and logic, making it a favorite among puzzle enthusiasts and historians alike. Cryptography has come a long way since its early days of simple ciphers. Today, we rely on complex digital encryption techniques that protect our online communications and sensitive data. Imagine sending a message that only the intended recipient can read, thanks to intricate algorithms and keys. This evolution not only safeguards our privacy, but also underpins the security of our financial transactions and personal information. As we dive deeper into this fascinating field, it's clear that understanding cryptography is essential in our digital age. The curiosity and excitement in this room reflect just how vital and intriguing this topic truly is.
Thank you for watching. For more information, search for me on Google Scholar, LinkedIn, or by email at homum.altage@gmail.com. Looking forward to hearing from you.